Hey guys, so I'm going to go ahead and present my twin text experience with you guys. Okay, so the title of my first book was Who Was Martin Luther King Jr.? It's basically a biography on him, and the second one is a lesson on Martin Luther King Jr. It's a fiction book. One was published in 2007, the other in 2013. The California State Standards I would go ahead and address in social studies are both the same and corresponding, which is students understand the role of rules and laws in our daily lives and the basic structure of the U.S. government. I will basically be focusing on describing the lives of American heroes who took risks to secure our freedoms. So the first book is basically a biography and speaks upon what Martin Luther King Jr. accomplished, at what age, and just a little insight on what he went through. The second book is a lesson on Martin Luther King Jr. It's a nonfiction book, and it talks about how basically a lesson that he learned from going to different schools with his best friend to finding out he's not allowed to hang out with his best friend anymore, which made him confused and then hurt once he found out the reasonings behind it. And it was just a lesson that he learned that he will never forget, which is basically segregation, which was going on at the time. When introducing the content standard and the rule of law, I will introduce the first book into the classroom and talk about how Martin Luther King Jr. took a big role in securing our freedom today. And on the second book, I will talk about how it's a perfect way to introduce segregation to my students because it's going to show the different viewpoints and possibly what motivated him to make a difference. Although it's nonfiction, it's definitely something that could have happened. And the order of the books, I feel like I could go vice versa. I could begin with the nonfiction book because it's a way to introduce segregation, let them think about that, and then, or I could just go on to why he did what he did possibly. It's just one way of introducing one American hero who fought to secure our freedom. The activities I have are worksheets. So the first one is we have big dreams. So just like how he's well known, I have a dream. So my students will be able to fill these out and talk about the dreams they have. And the second one will be on what is something you can do to make the world a better place, because he definitely fought hard to make the world a better place and secure certain freedoms, I'm sorry. And the ELA standards that are being addressed are ask and answer questions to demonstrate the understanding of a text, referring explicitly to the text as the basis for the answers. The second one is recount stories, including fables, folktales, and myths from diverse cultures, and this one is definitely one, to determine the central message. Lesson, definitely a lesson, and the moral and explain how it is conveyed through key details in the text. So that's my twin text experience. Thank you guys.